Sarah, how are you? It seems a long time since our last meeting.
Hi Cassie, I've heard here is a new development of paper molding equipment.
Yes, let me tell the difference.
Okay.
First of all, the structure of the machine has changed from the original 3 units to the current 2 units. The forming unit and the sealing unit are connected. In the past, the seam finished the products to the sealing machine manually. Now, the robot can solve this problem at saving labor. Meanwhile, the machine's appearance is refined, and the production speed would be 200% increased when 1 unit of laminating and cutting machine reach 3 units of forming and sealing machine.
This upgrade is great. The labor costs a lot nowadays. I can save the cost to my customer by using developed machine, and my products will have a more competitive advantage in the market.
Yes, Sarah. By the way, we are developing the paper plate making machine. We'll show the demo next month.
Really? I'm looking forward to paper plate machine. I'm going to expand and improve my production line. The market in demand.
Yes, we stand in the perspective of customers to innovate and upgrade, and it's a win-win situation to work with us.
Yes, I believe.